Some people choose not to work with me because I use AI, and honestly, I'm okay with that. AI doesn't replace my thinking. It doesn't replace judgment, and it definitely doesn't replace relationships. Sales has always been about leverage, calendars, CRMs, templates, analytics. AI is simply the next layer. Refusing to work with someone because they use AI is like saying you only trust accountants who don't use Excel. The irony is that most people already rely on algorithms every single day. If the conversation is thoughtful, relevant, and respectful, does it really matter how the first draft was created? AI has quietly become a filter. It saves time, energy, and future frustration. I use AI to be more prepared, more consistent, and more respectful of time. The thinking is mine. The responsibility is mine. The relationship is human. Progress beats nostalgia every single time.
Use AI to scale your business smarter. Learn more at ai2sb.com.